Hey guys, today I have received my Ipsy Plus for December of 2021. This is a monthly beauty product subscription where you receive skincare or makeup. You choose 3 of the 5 beauty products and Ipsy chooses the other 2 beauty products. It's $27.99 plus tax. Shipping is always free and you are under no obligation. You can cancel at any time. And the Plus always comes with a drawstring bag. And then this card insert does not have any information on the products. It does have a theme for December, which is Time to Shine. Okay, so the first product is Jwara Skincare. This is a Radiance Enzyme Scrub. $38. It's a 2.5 fluid ounce. It's an exfoliator. It's a 3-in-1 treatment. It uses skin smoothing enzymes, pore minimizing ginger, bamboo to cleanse, and it gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. You can leave it on for up to 3 minutes. The next is Aceology Brightening Treatment Mask. Retails for $69. It's a 65 milliliter. It is the closest thing to a pro facial with niacinamide and salicylic acid for a glowy brightening effect. You just apply a small layer. You remove after 30 minutes in one piece. Okay, the next is Elemis. This is a peptide 4 eye recovery cream. Retails for $49, 15 milliliter, of course, full size. All Ipsy Plus are full size. It revives tired-looking eyes with a blend of firming peptides, nourishing coconut oil, and a brightening plant extract. This you can use morning and night. Okay, so the serum is called Clarity. It's a daily dose of water with hyaluronic acid, so it's lightweight serum, exceptional for hydration and dull skin. Retails for $72. It's a 1-ounce size. All right, last but not least is the Bronze and Buff Duo Set. The Leading Lady Powder Bronze and Buff Brush. And then the other one is the Spotlight Blush and Highlight Brush. This duo retails for $62 and you can bronze, contour, blush, and highlight. Now for the drawstring bag, every month you receive a different drawstring bag. It may be a different material, different design. This one for December 2021, they decided to go with the blush with gold stars on it. And then it has the gold drawstring. And as you can see, the inside is a white lining. They give no value to the bag. It's just something that is in your bags to put your goodies in every month. So this is the 5 products that I've received. And if you were to go buy these products individually, the retail price would be $290. Through Ipsy, it's a $30 bag. It is a monthly subscription that you can cancel, of course, at any time. So what do you think? Do you think this was a really nice bag, a lousy bag? So. Let me know in your comments below, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.